Two worlds, two sets of rules. One invisible line divides them all. This glowing zigzag divides all elements into two warring kingdoms.
Metals. Over 80% of elements. They built civilization. Non-metals. They are air, life, and future technology.
They're not just different. They're perfect opposites. Group 1 metals explode in water. Why such desperation?
Group 2. From camera flashes to your bones.
Aluminum, most abundant metal. Light, strong, infinitely recyclable.
Transition metals. Civilization's workhorses and treasures.
Group 17, desperate electron thieves.
Group 8, chemically perfect, completely unreactive.
Each group has personality, but all metals share core traits.
Strength. Metals resist force. Non-metals shatter.
Malleability. Metals shape without breaking.
Metals make wire, ring true, and shine bright.
Metals channel energy. Non-metals block it.
Melting points. Metals need infernos. Non-metals melt easily.
Density. Metals feel heavy. Non-metals feel light. Most metals are solids. Most non-metals are gases. Physically, they're mirror opposites. But chemically,
the secret? Metal electrons flow free. Non-metal electrons stay put.
Chemically, metals give electrons. Non-metals take electrons. Metals react with acids, producing hydrogen gas.
Metals react with oxygen. Some rust. Some form armor.
Metal oxides make basic solutions. They neutralize acids.
Non-metals burn in oxygen too, but their oxides make acids.
Their oxides create acids. This causes environmental damage.
Non-metals share electrons equally. This creates molecules.
Covalent compounds build our biological world, for us, life itself. Ionic or covalent. Bonding determines all properties.
Metals have a reactivity series. Some give electrons easily.
More reactive metals kick out less reactive ones.
Non-metal reactivity, about grabbing electrons desperately. Carbon breaks all rules. Diamond hardest. Graphite conducts. Some elements bridge the gap. They have mixed properties. Across periods, metals less reactive, non-metals more.
You are made of this. Mostly non-metal. Metals crucial.
Metal ions enable nerves to fire, blood to carry oxygen.
Every technology combines both families. They need each other. From buildings to medicines, we engineer using both.
The table shows not just elements, but possible combinations.
This simple concept explains complex chemistry. entire universe obeys these elemental rules.
Future materials will bend these elemental rules. The line isn't division. It's where two worlds meet.
Alchemists sought the secret. We found it. How elements combine.
How we handle them shows their fundamental natures.
Their interactions create environmental challenges.
Our global economy runs on both element families. Human history is mastering these elements.
Abundance differs at cosmic and human scales.
Under extremes, even these rules can change.
This simple concept opens all chemistry doors. Chemistry is the beautiful dance between families.
Using properties, we identify unknown materials.
Two families, opposite in every way, create everything.
Look around. Notice metals and non-metals everywhere.
118 elements. One line explains them all.
The line connects two worlds that built reality. This elemental war created everything, including you.